till we are happy with this. Next. So this is the council members team. I'm heading the team with the president of this council, and our principal sir is a chairman of this council. So this is the team: Professor Amol Tausif, Rahul Lambekar sir, Dipali, Akash, Dr. Jaya, then Shushruth Patankar sir, Aloni ma'am, Rao ma'am, Gaur Shetty sir, Sri Ganesh Yadav sir, he is looking after patents and all. Selvin sir, he has also last year, he has a mentor for the students who won the competition in the national level and got incubation amount of more than 5 lakhs. They have competed all the students from IITs and all that. Professor Vishal, he is also working very fine in activities like spoken tutorial and all that. Kaushiki ma'am is there, Purve madam is there, and Mugdha ma'am is there. She is also working in IEEE and all that parts. So this is the list of members. Now the student list of member is what it was in HES at that time. We have taken directly from the knowing students, but you can come here. Professor Mr. Milind Kotwal as well as Ninad Bengurlekar. He is the there is one language app, Utter. He is the founder of that Utter, and Mr. Nilesh Gore, he is a chartered accountant and vice president of our council, and he supports us for business ideas. He is a business consultant and business coach. Next, Deepali. So action plan now for APSIT's IIC, that startup policy and implementation. Already this startup policy of APSIT is available on our institutional website. I request all you people go and see that. Then awareness and outreach, incubation support. Already we have having what the basic required to get incubated or to start up or to develop the idea. All softwares and required materials and for prototyping and everything is available with us. Then seed funding support, angel and venture funding support, we are working on this, and easing institutional policy for students, faculty and staff. This is a very difficult task as a faculty and student also. But here I will tell, any activity which we start, we get 2 types of volunteers. One volunteer is a really volunteer, and one volunteer is a volunteer's face. Means, it's my experience of last 20 years. I found an intelligent student or an aspiring student is a student who is good in all. And I found a smart student who use activities to get benefited in other parts. Say for example, some student comes towards us and says, sir, मैं वो gathering में काम करेगा, ये करेगा, मेरे को attendance मिलेगा क्या? Earlier days we used to discuss with departments and requesting them to do that, because see, to complete any part or any program or part, we need volunteers. But from this year, we have made a clear policy that any activity which we are doing is extracurricular. We will never instruct any department about giving any additional benefits to the students, because we want a pure souls here. We want the students who really want to do something without compromising with their academics. And it is possible. I have started that program also. I have got 9 students who are working with me now. They have changed their entire habit of life. Everyone was earlier used to get up at 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock in the morning. Now these people are working with me, means they are in my team and they are getting up at morning 5 o'clock. So we have started morning 5 a.m. club. In that they are doing. So once you decide you want to do something, I will share that link also in further parts, that if someone wants to join me in morning 5 a.m. club, because that gives you an additional 2 hours of your life per day to work what you want to work. Okay. So here I am again clearing that you are coming in any activity, though it is IIC, though it is Mac Club, though it is any startup or anything, we are not get excused anything for your attendance or your term work marks. This is very clear, because we have suffered a lot because of that. Because the part is that without now, first undertaking we are taking in all clubs, in our MAC and everything. Recently, we received 1 lakh rupees fund for our modified auto club. So now we have made it very clear that any activity which we are doing, student wants to join us, he should come with yahan kuch nahi milega. Only I will get my knowledge. No any perks available for me, that percentage of attendance or what we can say term work marks and all that, because we don't want to create a team who wants to work for benefits, not for development. Okay. Next, Deepali. So how we can help the startups? Already entire in my part, I have told you that how we will help. I have explained you startup of our Pandey also. So I think, Deepali, this slide is already I have discussed. So the startup process, this is the standard process, that contact us, then we will, if your idea is good, first will it is get protected by IPR, intellectual property rights, then we'll see the seek inputs and the network, plan the business, then negotiate the licensor or option agreements and pursue for the funding. This is a standard process of the startup. So selection, then that our team will do with the experts. Fortunately, we have Gore sir and all with us to find out that yes, whether this is this product will get launched in the way, because we are not the masters in all. So we have additional external support to decide, as well as to ensure and consider the commercial potential of that product, then ensure commitment of the team to create a new startup venture, then ensure IP field, that is intellectual property rights, then ensure team leader take responsibility to lead the project once pre-incubation phase is over. Then it is the future part. Then creating pathways for entrepreneurs within institute, thus it's National Institutional Startup Policy 2019, which we have to adhere for from AICTE. Next. So I think this pre-incubation stages and all that, we will keep presentation in future, because just we are introducing these parts, because currently on a day one immediately go for pre-incubation is somehow not going to digest for all of you. So I will not give focus on this part. It is simply if you have idea and your idea is we are able to make it incubate. We are able to make it incubate, then this all stages will come. Deepali, I think you move next slide. So this stages services. Yes. Then financial strategies and resource mobilization, these all are coming on that part. Once you get associated with, so we will do with this. Now, this is important. Upset startup policy and implementation. So we have a specialized our portal presence on APSIT website for displaying this innovation toolkit. Then institution startup policy, already these documents we have uploaded. What facilities are available with us? I told you that we have n number of facilities and we are in process to get some another additional facilities also. Whatever you want, accordingly we will able to give you that benefit. Then we are working on ecosystem. We are working for IP support. We have our own IP cell headed by Professor Sri Ganesh, and he has already registered 3 patents under this part. Then partnerships and MOUs, as well as these entrepreneur development cell, in all these cells are going to available in the institute. We are expecting that this lockdown and those what we can say, those COVID should get it finished as early as, or all get that immunity. We are praying to God for this, that make everyone available in the campus, because we are not enjoying really this online teaching. I think students are also not enjoying this online learning because but unfortunately we have no option. But definitely once you come on the institute, definitely we will work a lot. We have so many ideas with us, and again means only the important part for everyone. There is a very good Urdu शायरी that सोच को बदलो सितारे बदल जाएंगे, नजर को बदलो नजारे बदल जाएंगे, कश्तियां बदलने की जरूरत नहीं, दिशाएं बदलो किनारे बदल जाएंगे. Why I am telling you this? Because once you decide that you want to do something, for that सोच को बदलो सितारे बदल जाएंगे means just you change your thinking, your fortune will change. नजर को बदलो नजारे बदल जाएंगे, just change your view. Entire things are going to get different. Once you get focused, the entire things are going to get different. कश्तियां बदलने की जरूरत नहीं means there is no need to change the entire part. दिशाएं बदलो किनारे बदल जाएंगे means everyone feels that अरे वो उधर my things are going in a different directions. So just change your direction. You will achieve what you want to achieve. Yes. So these all policies are already we have displayed on our website. So I'm not entering in that part. I think Deepali will come for the last slide now. Yeah. Facilities already we have, all are aware. We have given you entirely this with part. And with this, if you have some questions, I am available. You can unmute yourself and ask questions. I think this much is sufficient. If you have any questions in your mind, my mobile number is I will share my number. Absit Skills, this IIC numbers of Professor Deepali Rajguru and Mr. Akash Vichare is already given here. On this, you can contact, or we will share a link with all our all our student mentors. We'll share that link to the students who wants to work with us for IIC. This is open for faculties also, I think, because I'm seeing so many faculties are here who have joined. So if you have any doubt in your mind, you can ask. Only important, be aware about the part what I have told, that this is a volunteering activity. And once we are doing volunteering means volunteering. There should not be any added benefits we should expect and come in the group. Sorry, earlier we have entertained that, but from this year, it is our clear policy that though we get a single person to work with us, it takes so much time to us to reach what we want to reach. Okay, I already told you that Kabir's Doha, Dhire Dhire Re Mana Sab Kuch Hoye. So no need to put 100 buckets of water. Let the Rutu come, it will give us the fruits. That is not a problem. So this is for you. So if you have any doubts, you can ask. Dipali, we can unmute them, or they by themselves they can unmute.
Sir, they can unmute themselves.
So if anyone have any doubt, you can ask.
हेलो,
Or you can
नमस्ते
write in chat also.
Yeah, yes.
सर।
Yes.
सर आप
अभिषेक,
लिंक हाँ यस सर। सर आप लिंक कहाँ पे शेयर करेंगे वॉलंटियर के लिए?
वॉलंटियरिंग के लिए लिंक बेटा आपके जो क्लास कोऑर्डिनेटर्स है उनके यहाँ पे शेयर हो जाएगा।
ओके, थैंक यू। और सर मुझे एक और डाउट था कि
बोलो
लाइक
बेटा।
सर स्टार्टअप का मतलब एकदम न्यू आइडिया होना चाहिए या फिर जैसे
अरे
जो
ऐसा कुछ नहीं बेटा, जो दुनिया देखो सिंपल सी बात है, स्टार्टअप के बारे में ना बहुत से मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स है। स्टार्टअप बेटा किसे कहते हैं मालूम है? इन अ सिंपल लैंग्वेज, जो बिक सकता है तो अगर तुम बना सकते हो ना तो वो स्टार्टअप हो गया।
ओहो,
वेरी सिंपल। जो बिक सकता है वो अगर तुम बना सकते हो, या वो आइडिया या सर्विस तुम दे सकते हो तो वो स्टार्टअप बन गया। आई विल टेल यू इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी हियर, सो यू विल get very clear ki what is a startup. I will tell you. When COVID started, there was a problem that no one was ready to go for funerals. One of the group of students of Vishwaniketan College has started a startup. They have published that just you call us, we will come. We'll come with that for the rituals of your religion. If you are Hindu, we will bring with the preach with you. If you are other religion, we'll bring. We have a team of people, and it was a hit startup.
Yeah.
Because this was a need of our.
Yes, sir.
So startup is what in simple Gujarat what we can say बनिया दिमाग से जो बिकता है ना वो अगर बना सकते हो या दे सकते हो तो उसे हम लोग स्टार्टअप कहते हैं. Don't go for so difficult English definitions and all. Yes, in simple line and simple word, जो बिकता है अगर वो तुम दे सकते हो तो उसको हम स्टार्टअप कहते हैं. Yes. It is not that you have to do a research and bring a product.
Okay, thank you sir.
सर हम लोग ये फर्स्ट ईयर से कर सकते हैं?
Why not? Why not?
Yes sir.
You can do it from any day. There is no restriction. See, for idea there is no restriction, and for idea there is no age. For idea there is no experience. For idea there is nothing. Just it is a creation of your own mind. Only we will supporting it to get flourish. Okay?
Yes sir. Thank you sir.
Okay dear. Anybody else? Yes, anybody else? So shall we close now? Any doubts? Deepali, you want to say something?
Sir, we will take one snap.